You guys aren't in the shot. Go. Action, 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 action. Cut, cut. You guys, okay, go back off screen. Say action, and then go right to the spot. And you're good. Gas, gas. Cut. Stay right there, Evie. Action. Cut. Action. Cut. Action. Cut. Walker, you just stay there. Action.
This is the first one we've had up here.
Action. Alright, zombie, quit coughing.
Wait,
Action.
They never come this far up the mountain.
Cut.
Cut. Hey.
And don't forget, when I make the rustling noise, you just need to kind of
Turn around a little bit. And you're coming from there, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Does that work, Evie?
Yeah,
But you're gonna have to come really close.
Mama, you could,
yeah.
you should come from that way.
Son of a bitch!
Daryl, don't leave us with the walker.
Son of a bitch! That's my deer! I'm gnawed on by this filthy, disease-bearing, motherless, poxy bastard!
Son. Cut. Hang on.
It's not helping.
Hang on. Okay, now look. Face me. Face me, but look at Daryl. Look at Daryl, not me.
Which one's Daryl?
That's Daryl. Like that. Okay. Alright, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Calm down, son. That's not helping.
Well, you know about it, old man. Why don't you take that hat and go back to on old Golden Pond? Shit. What do you know about it, old man? Why don't you take that stupid hat and go back to on Golden Pond?